Buckingham Palace Tour, exploring the heart of London, England, royal history and iconic views. Buckingham Palace, located in the heart of London, England, is one of the most iconic symbols of British royalty and an enduring testament to the nation's rich history and cultural heritage. As the official residence of the reigning monarch, it stands as a beacon of tradition, elegance, and grandeur. Whether you're planning a visit or enjoying a travel virtual tour, Buckingham Palace offers a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the British royal family and centuries of history. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about Buckingham Palace, including its history, architectural splendor, must-see attractions, and practical tips for planning your visit. 1. The history of Buckingham Palace. 1.1 Origins of Buckingham Palace. The history of Buckingham Palace begins in 1703 when it was originally built as Buckingham House for the Duke of Buckingham. Designed as a large townhouse, it was not intended to serve as a royal residence. In 1761, King George III purchased Buckingham House for his wife, Queen Charlotte, transforming it into a private retreat known as the Queen's House. Over the following decades, the house underwent significant renovations and expansions, eventually evolving into the grand palace we see today. 1.2 Becoming the royal residence. In 1837, Queen Victoria became the first monarch to make Buckingham Palace her official residence. Since then, it has served as the primary home for Britain's sovereigns, a tradition that continues to this day. 1.3 Buckingham Palace during World Wars. During World War II, Buckingham Palace suffered bomb damage, but remained a symbol of resilience. King George VI and Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, famously stayed at the palace during the Blitz, cementing its status as a unifying symbol for the British people. 2. Architectural splendor of Buckingham Palace. 2.1 The exterior. The facade of Buckingham Palace, designed in a neoclassical style, exudes elegance and grandeur. The east front, which faces the Mall, is the most recognizable part of the palace. This section includes the iconic balcony, where the royal family appears during special occasions. 2.2 The interior. Inside Buckingham Palace, there are a staggering 775 rooms, including 19 staterooms, 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 92 offices, and 78 bathrooms. The palace also features a chapel, a post office, a cinema, and a swimming pool. Notable rooms. The throne room, used for ceremonial occasions and official photographs. The White Drawing Room, an opulent space used for audiences with the monarch. The ballroom, the largest room in the palace, hosting state banquets and events. 2.3 Buckingham Palace Gardens. The gardens of Buckingham Palace span over 39 acres, making it the largest private garden in London. They include a lake, a rose garden, and a variety of trees and plants. 3 Key attractions and experiences at Buckingham Palace. 3.1 Inside Buckingham Palace. The state rooms are the highlight of any visit to Buckingham Palace. These rooms, open to the public during the summer months, are adorned with priceless artwork, luxurious furnishings, and intricate details that reflect centuries of royal history. Travel tip: book tickets in advance to secure your spot for a guided tour of the staterooms. 3.2 Changing of the Guard. One of the most popular events at Buckingham Palace is the changing of the guard ceremony. This iconic display of British pageantry takes place outside the palace gates and is free for visitors to enjoy. Best viewing spot. Arrive early to secure a spot near the gates for an unobstructed view of the ceremony. 3.3 The Royal Mews. The Royal Mews is home to the carriages and vehicles used by the royal family, including the Gold State Coach, which has been in use since 1762. Highlight: explore the intricately designed carriages and learn about the art of horsemanship. 3.4 Buckingham Palace Gardens Tour. During specific times of the year, visitors can take a guided tour of the palace gardens, exploring the flora, fauna, and picturesque landscapes that make up this royal sanctuary. 4. Buckingham Palace Secrets and Legends. 4.1 Secret Passages. It's rumored that Buckingham Palace contains hidden passages and secret doors, some of which lead directly to nearby locations like the Houses of Parliament. 4.2 The Balcony. The famous balcony has been the site of countless historic moments, including royal weddings, coronations, and celebrations like Trooping the Colour. 4.3 Royal Guards. The Buckingham Palace Guards, known for their stoic expressions and red uniforms, are an enduring symbol of British tradition. However, many don't realize that these guards are active-duty soldiers trained to defend the palace. 5. Planning your visit to Buckingham Palace. 5.1 Tickets and entry. Staterooms access. Available during summer, July to October. Tickets should be booked online. Changing of the guard. Free to watch. No ticket required. Royal Mews. Open for most of the year. Tickets can be purchased separately. 5.2 Best time to visit. The best time to visit Buckingham Palace is during the summer months, when the staterooms and gardens are open to the public. Early morning visits offer smaller crowds and a more serene experience. 5.3 Accessibility. Buckingham Palace offers wheelchair accessibility and assistance for visitors with mobility challenges. 6. Virtual tours of Buckingham Palace. For those unable to visit in person, travel virtual tours offer an immersive experience of Buckingham Palace. Online platforms provide 360-degree views of the staterooms, gardens, and iconic exteriors, bringing the royal experience to your home. 7. Buckingham Palace in popular culture. 7.1 Films and TV shows. Buckingham Palace has featured prominently in films and TV shows, including The Crown and Paddington. Its iconic appearance makes it a favorite backdrop for royal stories and dramas. 7.2 Historical documentaries. Several documentaries delve into the history and daily life of Buckingham Palace, shedding light on its significance and traditions. 8. Fun facts about Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace has 760 windows, which are cleaned every 6 weeks. The palace employs over 800 staff members, including chefs, butlers, and security personnel. During the summer opening, visitors can enjoy refreshments in the Garden Cafe, located on the West Terrace. 9. Why Buckingham Palace is a must-visit. Buckingham Palace is more than just a royal residence. It is a symbol of British heritage, tradition, and culture. Whether you're exploring its opulent interiors, witnessing the changing of the guard, or learning about its history through a virtual tour, Buckingham Palace offers an unforgettable experience for all visitors. As the centerpiece of London, England, and a focal point of royal life, Buckingham Palace remains a must-see destination for history buffs, architecture enthusiasts, and anyone captivated by the grandeur of British royalty. Plan your trip or immerse yourself in a virtual experience to uncover the secrets, splendor, and stories of this remarkable palace. Buckingham Palace is not just a destination, it's a journey through the heart of England's royal history.